Which premium synthetic oil actually protects your engine better, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum or Mobil1 Extended Performance? Both cost roughly the same and claim superior protection, but used oil analysis reveals surprising differences in performance. After reviewing hundreds of Blackstone Labs reports and real-world data, I'm breaking down the specific strengths and weaknesses of each oil. If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. It is actually shocking that over 95% of viewers do not subscribe, despite saving thousands from this information. Subscribing costs you nothing, but helps me keep bringing you content that dealers do not want you to see. Let us compare them head to head. First, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum uses Pure Plus technology, converting natural gas into a 99.5% pure base oil. This gas-to-liquid synthesis creates exceptionally uniform molecules with virtually no impurities. Mobil1 Extended Performance uses a blend of Group 3 Plus and Group 4 PAO, synthetic base stocks with a robust additive package. It is specifically designed for extended drain intervals up to 15,000 miles or 1 year. Both oils meet current APISP and ILSACGF 6 specifications, offering full synthetic protection across wide viscosity ranges. On paper, they appear nearly identical, but used oil analysis tells a different story about real-world performance. Let us start with wear protection. Multiple Blackstone Labs reports show interesting patterns. In one engine, lead content showed 60 ppm with Mobil1, but dropped to 34 ppm with Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Iron, chromium, and aluminum wear metals were also consistently lower with Pennzoil across multiple reports. An Acura TSX owner running Mobil1 for 3,000 miles saw acceptable wear, but switching to Pennzoil for longer intervals yielded better results. Even under abusive autocross racing conditions, wear metals decreased with Pennzoil. The owner was impressed enough to permanently switch. Context matters. Mobil1 Extended Performance is higher quality than regular Mobil1, and when tested properly, its results are competitive. Volatility measures how much oil evaporates at high temperatures. Lower numbers are better for reducing oil consumption. Pennzoil typically shows 10 to 11% volatility, while Mobil1 is slightly higher at 12 to 13%. This difference matters for engines that run hot, tow-heavy, or operate in extreme climates. Drivers report that switching from Mobil1 to Pennzoil often reduces oil consumption, particularly in high-mileage engines. Total base number, or TBN, measures the oil's ability to neutralize acids from combustion. Fresh Pennzoil Ultra Platinum has a TBN around 11.7, while Mobil1 Extended Performance starts around 10.5. Pennzoil tends to maintain higher residual TBN at similar mileages, indicating significant life remaining after 5,000 miles. Flashpoint is the temperature at which oil vapors can ignite. Pennzoil is slightly higher at 224 degrees Celsius. This 4-degree difference indicates Pennzoil's slightly better resistance to vaporization under extreme heat. Now, the Group 3 versus Group 4 debate. Some argue Group 4 PAO is true synthetic, while Group 3 is just highly refined. Modern Group 3 plus oils, like Pennzoil's gas-to-liquid synthesis, perform as well or better than many Group 4 oils. The finished product formulation matters more than base oil group classification. Additives and detergents determine real-world performance. Cleanliness and deposit control is where both excel. Pennzoil's high detergent package keeps engines exceptionally clean. Reports of high-mileage engines using Pennzoil show spotless internals with no varnish or sludge, proving its effectiveness over time. Mobil1 Extended Performance delivers excellent cleaning, designed to handle extended intervals even in engines that previously used lower-quality oils. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum shows lower insolubles in used oil analysis, meaning contaminants stay suspended rather than forming deposits. This is critical for direct injection engines prone to carbon accumulation. However, Mobil1's formulation is specifically optimized for engines with variable valve timing and turbochargers, where responsiveness matters. Cold weather performance favors Mobil1 slightly. Its formulation provides superior low-temperature flow, making cold starts easier in extreme winter. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum focuses more on high-temperature stability and protection under load. In very cold climates where temperatures drop below zero, Mobil1's cold flow advantage becomes relevant. Otherwise, both handle seasonal swings adequately. Price and availability are practical considerations. Pennzoil typically costs $28 to $35 but often requires ordering online. Mobil1 costs $33 to $45 but is available everywhere, from dealerships to gas stations to big box retailers. Extended drain capability is where Mobil1 excels. It is engineered for 15,000 miles or 1-year intervals. Pennzoil offers a 500,000-mile guarantee but recommends 5,000 to 10,000 mile changes. Changing Mobil1 at 7,500 miles gives a massive safety margin, just as Pennzoil at 5,000 miles keeps you well within capabilities. Many enthusiasts report Pennzoil makes engines run quieter. The natural gas-based oil creates a velvety operation that is subjectively noticeable. For specific engines, GM 3.6-liter V6 South show better wear protection with Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, according to multiple analysis reports. Ford EcoBoost engines also benefit from Pennzoil's resistance to breakdown under turbo stress. Here's my honest assessment. For maximum wear protection and lowest consumption in severe conditions, Pennzoil shows a slight edge. For extreme cold and maximum drain intervals, Mobil1 has the advantage. For availability, Mobil1 wins easily. Both oils are excellent. The differences, while measurable in labs, translate to marginal real-world impacts for most drivers. An engine maintained with either, changed at reasonable intervals, will last over 150,000 miles without issues. If this helped you understand the differences, hit the like button and drop a comment on which oil you use. Subscribe for more comparisons. Remember, the best oil is a quality synthetic changed on schedule. Choose with confidence.